We'll guide you through how to format an SD card to FAT32. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you want to do this, of course FAT32 is a certain type of file format. What we're going to do, if I go and open up File Explorer, I've already got it connected and this is it here. So if I go and right click on it, I'll go down and press Properties, and you can come in here and go and see in general, file system is currently exFAT. Now, with certain sizes, specifically smaller sizes, you can actually go and right click, you can go and press Format, and you can go and choose FAT32 in file system. Now, due to the size of this, we're unable to. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. This will also work for other drives other than just SD cards, by the way, as well. So what we need to do is we're going to need to go and open a web browser of your choice. And we need to go and get a certain app. The app we're going to go and get is by RidgeCrop. So type it in, RIDGECROP. And this is it here, RidgeCrop Consultants at the top. So come and click on it. Now you can come over to the left and find the option for FAT32. And you can then go and come to the top here and it says here, with the first line, go and click there. And to go and download it, you go and click on the picture. For me, it goes and gets blocked, but we're going to go and press keep in the top right. I can then click on it and press download a verified file. I've had it before, it's safe, and we've now downloaded it. Now you need to go and open up your File Explorer, and we'll come over to the left and find downloads. Here it is here, so you can then go and double click on it. You'll get a admin security pop-up you need to agree to. Now we've had this. So what's super key at the top here is you go and select the correct drive. So you go and choose it by the letter, and it'll go and give you the name, which is the GRV. And if I press this PC to the left, I can confirm that here it is the E drive. Just remember when you go and format it, you are going to lose everything on it. For allocation unit size, 32 is fine. Choose the label to what you want, and we can set quick format. Then you can go and press start at the bottom. Just make sure everything is correct and you are losing everything on it, but press OK if you're ready and wait. When it's finished, it will go and say done, and we can then close out of this and come back to this PC, and you can right click on the drive and press properties, and you can go and see the file system is FAT32. Leave a like if you found this useful.